YouTube is full of videos showcasing Flux Out-painting, but many users with AGB GPUs like myself struggle even to load Flux. Today, we'll use SDXL for out-painting. It's faster than Flux and delivers similar or even better results. No need to set up complex nodes. Just add an in-paint node to your usual text to image workflow. For this example, we'll take a square image of a girl and convert it to a 2x1 wide format using SDXL painting and padding nodes. Load the square image. Enter a simple prompt. The result is stunning. The out-painted image retains the original mood, lighting, and quality. I'll save the image so we can compare it side by side. Now, let's cue some more out-paintings. I'm not skipping ahead. This is all in real time. Notice how fast it is. You can use more detailed prompts for even better results, but this example uses just a simple prompt. Let's try generating some images with a blank prompt. Once again, the results are impressive every time. And remember, you don't need to support me on Patreon. This workflow is free to download and use. Happy out-painting with your AGB GPU.